Hello dear friends, welcome to your channel MSR Stratagem. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of GS3. Earlier we discussed GS1, GS2, GS4. With the help of diagrams, we simplified the syllabus of GS1 and GS2, and with the help of mnemonic we simplified GS4. Today, again with the help of mnemonic, we are going to simplify the syllabus of GS3 as well. This is the syllabus of GS3. Before starting our main topic, have a look on GS3 paper of this year. See, from question number 1 and question number 4 and from question number 11 to 14, these questions are from economic development. So around 8 questions from economic development topic. And question number 5, 6, 15, 16 are from science and technology. Similar way, 7, 8, 17 and 18 are from environment and disaster management. In the same way, 9, 10, 19 and 20 are from internal security. See, 1920 are from internal security. Have a look on this. So from economic development, 10 marker from 1 to 4 and from 15 marker 11 to 14. So around 8 questions are from economic development, fetches 100 marks. And science and technology mein 5th and 6th question, 15 and 16 question. 4 questions again fetching you 50 marks. Environment development, internal security. So this gives a rough idea that UPSC is also fixing the question with respect to the syllabus. Such type of observation you can have on other paper as well. So moving to our main topic, the syllabus of GS3. So from economic development, you need to remember the mnemonic here is E-bill. So here I power 4 we have. Fine. What does E stands for? Economy. Indian economy, you need to know what are the issues related to Indian economy with respect to planning, mobilization of resources, growth and development, along with that employment. This is with respect to E. What does B stands for? B stands for budgeting. Budget of government you need to know. Then L stands for land reforms in India. One more L stands for liberalization. You need to know what do you mean by liberalization, what is the impact or effect of liberalization on Indian economy. I4 stands for, you can have a simple rough diagram with respect to I here. I stands for inclusive growth. And what are the issues related to inclusive growth? One more I stands for industrial policy. You need to know what are the industrial policies, what are the changes in industrial policies, and because of the changes in industrial policy, what are its impact on industrial growth, industrial policy. Then infrastructure. In infrastructure, you need to know the railways, airways, airports, roadways, ports, and energy. Then one more I is related to investment model. Fine. Quickly, we'll revise this. E stands for economy, Indian economy, and what are the issues in the Indian economy in planning, mobilization of resources, growth, development, and employment. B stands for budgeting, budget of the government, you need to know. I stands for I power 4. One I is inclusive growth, industrial policy, and its effect on industrial growth, infrastructure, investment model. L stands for land reforms, liberalization, and its effect on Indian economy. Now within economic development we have one more topic, that is agriculture. So to remember all these topics under agriculture, I have made this mnemonic. Here also you need to remember I power 4. Okay? That is site, I power 4. TAPIS, FPI. Fine. C stands for cropping pattern. What are the different types of cropping pattern you can observe in various parts of the country? Then I stands for irrigation. You need to know different types of irrigation and irrigation system storage. T stands for transport and marketing of agricultural produce and what are the issues and challenges related to transport and marketing of agricultural produce. E stands for e-technology in the aid of farmers. How you can use electronic technology for the welfare of farmers. Then TAPIS. T stands for technology mission. A stands for animal rearing economy. P stands for public distribution system. What are the objectives, functioning, limitation, issues and challenges? What can be the way forward you need to know with respect to PDS. Now I stands for 4I, right? You can use the same formula for this to remember. I is nothing but issues. We have 4 major issues. One is related to subsidies. One more is issues in MSP, minimum support price. Other is stock, buffer stocks, issues in buffer stocks. One more is security, that is food security. So for this you can remember in like this, misses. Okay? MSP, subsidies, stocks and security. So you need to know the issues related to both direct and indirect subsidies given to agriculture. Then minimum, what are the issues in minimum support price? What are the issues in buffer stocks? Issues related to food security in India. For all these issues, you need to know the solution, that is the way forward. Then moving to S. S refers to supply chain management. Then FPI is food processing industry in India. And what is its scope, significance in Indian economy? Fine. Moving to the next topic, science and technology, environment and disaster management. Before discussing this, we'll discuss this internal security. The mnemonic for internal security is A, B, C, D, E, F. Fine. A stands for actors. That is state and non-state actor. External state and non-state actor. What is the role of external state and non-state actor in creating challenges to internal security of India? You need to know this. Then B stands for border area management. What are the issues related to border area management? Here you need to know what is the link between organized crime and terrorism. B stands for border area management. C stands for challenges. Challenges to internal security. C stands for challenges to internal security. And you need to remember the keywords mentioned under this topic, like communication network, role of media, social networking sites, cyber security, money laundering. You can remember this all subtopics under this heading as scam. Okay? C square, M square. S stands for social networking sites. C stands for communication network. One more C stands for cyber security. M stands for media. One more, money laundering. Okay? Scam you can remember. Then we have D and E. D stands for development. E stands for extremism. What is the linkage between this development and extremism you need to know. Then F stands for forces. You need to know the various security forces. What are the agencies and management involved. In this way, we completed the internal security. If this, we'll revise it quickly. A stands for actor, role of external state and non-state actors. B, border area management. C, challenges to internal security, including this scam keyword you need to remember. Then D and D, development and extremism. What is the linkage between development and spread of extremism? F is related forces, that is various security forces. Now, we will see science and technology, environment and disaster management. See, in environment and disaster management, we have only 2 bullet points given by UPSC, right? So there's no need of any shortcut for this. You need to remember for disaster and disaster management. This is the syllabus mentioned in your UPSC. Here, conservation, environmental pollution and degradation, environmental impact assessment you need to know. Now for science and technology, we can make a simplified version of this. It is also easy, only 3 points has been given. One is related to development. You can draw a triangle like this. Here, development and applications. Remember, what are the development and applications of science and technology in your daily life? And second is related to achievements. You can remember here this corner as NIA, not National Investigation Agency, but N stands for new technology. What are the new technology India is developing, and even in the world, what are the new technologies are emerging? Then after that, this I stands for indigenization of technology, indigenous technology you need to know. A stands for achievements of Indians in science and technology field. Then here you need to know awareness. This is the keyword. Development and application of science and technology in your daily life. NIA, new technology, indigenous technology, achievement of Indians. Then awareness with respect to science and technology. Here you need to know all this thing, like awareness you need to have in the field of information technology, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, intellectual property rights, IPR. For this, you can remember, if you want, I have made a mnemonic for this, BINSAR. Okay. B stands for biotechnology, I information technology, N nanotechnology. S space, IPR, intellectual property right, R robotics. In this way, you can remember the syllabus. Development of applications of science and technology in your daily life, new technology, indigenous technology, achievement of Indians. Awareness in the field of this BINSAR, biotech, information tech, nanotech. S space, IPR and robotics. In this way, we completed the syllabus of GS3. So if you like my video, then subscribe and share my channel. And if you have any queries, then write in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.